Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me is our all-new designed EHZ equipment trailer. It has two 7K axles, the mega toolbox, and mountain ramps, making this trailer perfect for hauling equipment, materials, or other cargo. It comes in either bumper pull or gooseneck with length options of 20 up to 26 feet and has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles. It has a 25-inch deck height and a standard deck width of 83 inches, upgradable to the 102-inch with drivable fenders like this one is. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer we are reviewing today is a 20-foot long bumper pull with a 12-gauge diamond plate steel deck. Starting at the front, it features a 2.5/16 adjustable coupler rated at 21,000 pounds, 3 8-grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. For the jack, it comes standard with a crank jack rated at 12,000 pounds, where this one has been upgraded to the hydraulic jack. In between the tongue, you will find the mega lockable toolbox, which houses the battery and pump and charger, and you still have all this space for your tools or whatever you need on the job. On this side, it comes standard with a spare tire mount, but the spare tire is optional. For the tongue, this EHZ features our new neck boss design. Made of a 8-inch I-beam, gives it a very nice look. The main frame is made of a 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 13 pounds per foot with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart, and on this trailer it has the 12-gauge diamond plate steel deck. At the front of the deck, we also added a 2x2-inch 9-gauge tubing with a rock guard. Also here you will find a chain rack, plus the winch plate is standard, but the winch is optional. Here on the deck, you will also find another toolbox, giving you more space for storage. For securing cargo, this trailer features rub rail, ID stick pockets, and also tie down locations so you can adjust depending on where you need to secure. Also, it comes standard with 2 D-rings welded inside the fenders. For the fenders, since this trailer is a 102-inch deck width, it has drivable fenders made of a 3/16 diamond plate steel, which is great for when you have wide equipment and need to drive over the fenders. For the running gear, it has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles with 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels, where this one has been upgraded to the nice aluminum wheels. At the rear of the EHZ, it comes standard with sliding ramps, where this one has been upgraded to the mountain ramps. They're spring loaded, so they're easily opened and also easily closed. Plus, you can also lock them in this position if you have equipment that doesn't quite fit on the deck, but you still need to lock them. Visibility is always important on a trailer. That's why we added these nice big DOT compliant LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. And like with all of our trailers, this EHZ goes through our 6-step training process, which includes steel grit blasting and a powder coat, ensuring that the paint will be durable. It has a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus is NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy our trailers, they will be top quality. For more information or to find a dealer, check our website at horizontrailers.com. I'll catch you in the next video.